Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your energy in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In Heartopia game, when you do an activity, it will automatically consume your energy. For example, I'm going to mine this stone and my energy is consumed right here. And to restore your energy, there are some ways that you can try. The first one, you can restore your energy by eating. I'm going to open up my backpack and then I'm going to eat this food, this pancake. Okay, I cooked this pancake, guys, and after eating, your energy will be restored. And you can also use this bubble. Oops. Oh, someone already took the bubble. When you see the bubble with the green arrow, you can pop the bubble and it will give you energy. Or you can just sleep, guys. If you have bed, you can go to your bed and then you can sleep and it will restore your energy. Okay, I'm going to sleep like this and just sleep, guys, and it will automatically restore your energy. Okay, as you can see that it restores one energy every 5 seconds. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can restore energy in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.